In the digital age, building a brand online has become not just an opportunity, but a gateway to transforming one's skills into tangible wealth. This narrative begins with an understanding of the digital landscape, where personal brands, once confined to small circles, now have the potential to reach global audiences with a few clicks. But how does one embark on this transformative journey? Let's explore. First, the cornerstone of brand building lies in self-awareness. Identifying and articulating your unique skills is paramount. Whether you're an exceptional photographer, a culinary artist, or a tech innovator, understanding your strengths provides the foundation of your brand identity. This clarity not only steers content creation, but also establishes the unmistakable voice that resonates throughout your online presence. The next pivotal step is audience engagement. Today's consumers seek connection and authenticity. Building relationships with your audience means consistently delivering value and engaging in meaningful interactions. Social media platforms, blogs, and videos serve as essential tools in crafting these connections, allowing your talents to shine while providing solutions, insights, or entertainment to your audience. Monetization follows naturally when a brand has a loyal following. This is where skills truly translate into wealth. Various avenues for revenue generation exist, offering online courses, selling digital products, or entering into partnerships and sponsorships. Each strategy should align with your brand and contribute to its growth. However, success isn't instantaneous. It requires persistence, adaptation, and a willingness to embrace learning curves. Monitoring your digital metrics provides insights into what works, driving refinement and innovation. Ultimately, building a brand online is a dynamic journey of growth, where transformation of skills into wealth mirrors the evolution of the brand itself. The digital landscape offers limitless possibilities. Seize the opportunity to craft a compelling narrative, inspire your audience, and step by step, transform your skills into sustainable success.